students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So as you all know, KCET 2024 counseling process has already started. So yes, there are many updates that have been given in the by the KEA in their official website. So in this video we'll be checking the different updates. So earlier many updates has already came for engineering category, but now they have also updated for different courses like your pharma courses, then for nursing courses, architecture courses. So let us see in this video how can you check that. Okay, so first of all you have to go to the official website of the KEA. Once you open any browser, type KEA, go to the first link. Once you go there, you can see in the admission sections, okay, and in the UGCET 2024, if you click here, you will be directed to this page. Okay, so here you can see the first link, that is UGCET 2024 provisional fee structures and first round seat matrix. Okay, so now you can see here a lot of PDFs have been given, so you can check, for example, for BSc nursing fee structure. Okay, so once you click on this, so you can see that the fee structure for the nursing courses are given here. For example, for government seat quotas, government quota seats in the government colleges, it is 10,000, government quota seats in private colleges around 10,000, domicile of Karnataka 1 lakh, for management quota seats. So these all data are given. So those students who are interested for the nursing, please go through this PDF and check the fee structure in detail. Similarly, you can also see here for BSc nursing seat matrix for general quota students. So this is very important for all those students who are going to do counseling for, or we are going to fill the nursing options. So different colleges serial number is given here, college codes have been given, and the college names have been given, and the number of seats in different categories have been mentioned. Like for example, if you see the first college, that is Government College of Nursing in Bangalore, Victoria Hospital Complex, Fort Bengaluru. So you can see the course code, and for general merit 32 seats are given, and all the other category seats are given as well. So similarly, you can see here for different category nursing courses seat matrix are given. Then for agricultural courses the seat matrix are given for special quota. Then for general and HK quota, for general and HK quota this is also given. Then you have B Pharma courses. Okay, for B Pharma courses also the seat matrix have been released for general quota and for Hyderabad Karnataka quota. Okay, so yes, then engineering and architecture special category architecture seat matrix have been also released here. Okay, that you can check. Then engineering seat matrix was already there from before, and the fee structure, these are all given. Okay, so yes, the link of this page will be there in the description section of the video. Please check the link and download the PDF of or the seat matrix and the fee structures for your courses in which you are interested in. Okay, so yes, if you have any doubt in this, please comment down, will definitely help you. And if you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel.